I'm Dr. Sandhya from Victrix Cosmetology Clinic and Academy. Is going to share my experience with the Garbha Sanskar and importance of Garbha Sanskara. This podcast is based on my learning and experience toward Garbha Sanskara. Garbha Sanskara is derived from two words. First is Garbha, means fetus in the womb. Second is Sanskara, means educating the mind. So Garbha Sanskara means training a baby for a good action. Since female conceives for pregnancy till comes to the world, Garbha Sanskara is a process to shape the baby's brain for a good action and guiding unborn baby and parent about our culture and values. Starting from developing in mother womb, it is an influential process where we teach unborn baby for a good action and improve bonding between mother and father. Garbha Sanskar's result is very promising and developed the baby personality from the womb itself. Garbha Sanskara is an Asian Indian technique is practicing since the beginning of Indian civilization. His love for his kingdom and foundation of Swaraj is developed by his mother Jijama. Swaraj is a strong willingness of Jijama which is transferred to Shivaji. She is used to read stories, Vedas and Purans, the value of the motherhood, ethics, good administration studies from various Puran books. Hence same personality was adopted by Shivaji later. Similar to this, Abhimanyu from Mahabharata, who was taught to enter into the Chakravi by the Lord Krishna to his mother during the time of her conceit. Garbha Sanskara is very well-proven technique and effective to Garbha Sanskar is not only for a woman but also required for a man for a better fatherhood. At Victrix Cosmetology Clinic and Academy, we start Garbha Sanskara in the 5 stage. First is pregnancy planning before 6 months, 9-month plan during pregnancy, newborn baby to 1 year plan, 1 month to 1 year plan, 1 year to 5 year plan. Kids are a very good learner till the age of 5. Afterwards, they are less keen to learn. So it is highly recommended to have Garbha Sanskar to be continued till the age of 5. Garbha Sanskara benefits are below. Baby's growth and development, 60% baby brain development in the womb and unborn baby respond to outside influence such as lights, music and movements. Secondly, increase the bond between unborn baby to parents, increase positive energy, improve baby's personality, leads to happy family future, improve skills for the baby. I advise starting Garbha Sanskara if you plan to have a baby for a better future of the baby. We are Victrix Cosmetology Clinic and Academy. Welcome your all queries related to Garbha Sanskara. Thank you.